3 fag 2 food week dog 12 spliff a roll for the day when me feel calm. But if me no feel calm, do the maths real fast. Vibes kitchen at the place where me speak on. Cook give me on any boy. Me can't get the right food no matter how me try. Vibes have the recipe, everything me like. A mad thing when still I make the fire light. Me pocket fully charged, touch the road our time. Lace up me clocks, food fast, brain paranoid. The YouTube channel active.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So for this video, I'm going to be making some pineapple stew chicken. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So I have my chicken here. It's already been chopped and washed with vinegar. And over here I have some thyme, scallion, onion, and garlic. Okay, and the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut my natural seasonings and add them to the chicken. I'm also going to add some habanero pepper. Alright, so now I'm going to add my powdered seasoning, Creole seasoning. Some Mrs. Dash original blend. Some paprika, Grace all-purpose seasoning, Grace chicken seasoning, Maggi all-purpose seasoning, and then I'm going to add some Grace browning, and this is for color. And from here we're just going to mix everything together. So before mixing this, I'm going to add some pineapple juice, and this is not from the can. This is actually from a real pineapple. Alright, y'all, so I have my pot on the stove. The oil is hot, so now I'm going to just go ahead and add the chicken. You're going to stir the chicken occasionally to prevent it from sticking to the pot. Alright, so I added some pineapple juice to the bowl that I seasoned the chicken in, and I'm just going to add it to the pot. And then I'm just going to cover again and allow it to simmer. I'm going to add some ketchup, some bottled Scotch bonnet pepper, and some Grace fish and meat sauce. The fish and meat sauce is a little tangy, so just be careful how much you're adding in the pot. I'm going to add some more pineapple juice because it's sticking to the pot at the moment. So right now I'm going to add some pineapple chunks, and just so y'all know, this idea just came to me last night. I was just laying in bed and I thought about it, so I decided to give it a try. So one thing that is key with making this, I just had the idea, so I did it. You have to use pineapple juice instead of adding water. Use pineapple juice because that is key in ensuring you get that pineapple taste. I'm actually surprised.
Vibes kitchen are the place where me there now. We get the nicest food when the fire out. The pepper hot, God know what a brother.